Hey everyone, going to demonstrate how to create an embeddable Google Sheet. So you'll take your public Google Sheet link. You're going to want to make sure that it is viewable by everyone on the internet. So anyone with the link is a viewer. You'll copy the link, paste that in here. You can then choose various different settings and colors and such. We'll choose another fun font. We'll do quicksand. We'll add a export menu and we'll increase the height of the embed a little bit. There's various other options as well. And then we take this embed code. So we copy that and I'll paste that in my code editor right now. The custom HTML field. So depending upon what website editor you use, that might be called something like custom embed, script embed, custom HTML. And then that ultimately will look like this. And that will take up the full width of the parent container that you have it in. It's also all ADA accessible, so it's keyboard navigable. And you've got quick search in here too. So for example, say Alabama, it quick searches across columns. So we'll say with fall total 24, you'll see we'll narrow down to that. We can also expand the sheet out larger if we'd like. So really easy, quick implementation to make your Google Sheet embedded on your website and have filters, sorting, and customizable styling and functionality.